Hi there, in this video we are going to discuss how the terms like the and other terms that are not very logical in English are ignored by tf-idf vectorizer. So in short, tf-idf vectorizer is used to find importance of word in a document. For this, we are going to discuss these four statements in which we have a case of a restaurant reviews. There we have a corpus of four documents. A corpus is a set of documents, and here four sentences represent four documents. We have one corpus and four documents. So let us find the term frequency, inverse document frequency, tf-idf of word the. Okay. Okay, so here is the formula. Here is the formula. You can see this term frequency and inverse document frequency. We have also discussed it in previous video in detail. So let's implement it now. Okay. So here is the formula. You can take a screenshot of it. Okay. Okay, G. So let's now firstly find the term frequency of word the TF, and we know the formula of TF was number of times the term appear in document divided by total number of terms in the document. So we are going to find the importance of word the in first document. The food was amazing in this one. So how many times word the appear in this document? One. And total number of words, there are four total number of words. So divided by 4, which will give us 0.25. So it is the term frequency. Now we have to find inverse document frequency, which is total number of document. What are the total number of document? 4 divided by number of document containing the word the. It is the formula as we are finding the importance of the. So we have to divide number of document containing the word the. So how many document? First one, second one, third one, and fourth one. All of them are containing the word the. And here is the of fourth sentence. So 4 divided by 4, which will give us 1. And for the IDF, we take log at the end. So we have to take log of this. I will put log here so that it will be clear. Log, and here we have to take log of 1. So log of 1 is 0. You can check it. So tf-idf of word the is, what is it? 0.25 multiplied by 0, which will be 0. Anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. So the term frequency of the is surprisingly 0. And this was expected. We knew that the has no importance in our document, and our model has dealt with this. At the last, let us now calculate the importance of word food in our reviews, that how much importance this particular word have. Do food need to have importance in reviews? In some reviews, the word food have much importance or not? Okay, until you think, let us calculate what tf-idf says. Let us go with the sentence number 4, because we haven't discussed it yet. So term frequency will be how many times the term food appear one time divided by total number of term, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 6 terms. So 1 divided by 6, 0.16. Okay, 1 and 6, 6, 6, 6, but until 6 is enough. I will put a 7. And inverse document frequency will be how many total sentences there are. There are total 4 sentences divided by how many sentences contain the word for which we are calculating the inverse document frequency. We are calculating for food, right? So for food, there are three sentences that contain word food. There are three sentences actually. So 4 divided by 3 will give 1.33 because, okay. And for this, we are calculating for food. Now, let's take the log. Okay, we have to take the log of inverse document frequency 0.12. Okay, 0.12. We haven't multiplied yet. We haven't find the tf-idf yet. Tf-idf is equal to, we have to multiply the both terms, 0.02. Okay, so the word food have a importance of 0.22 in our document. You may think that it is not a very valid importance in according to our mind, but according to tf-idf, it is a correct, like it is correct importance, and we are dealing with 4 examples only. But actually there are hundreds of thousands and millions of documents in a corpus. So for that case, we have some robust things, and tf-idf, we don't actually use it directly. We take the cosine similarity. And so we will also discuss that in the coming series. These calculations, you don't have to do these calculations manually in programming. You can just import a library that will do the work for you. So we will also discuss that in the coming videos. Okay, Ji.